Greetings everyone, this is Vanya Dahania welcoming you all in another episode of Weekly English News Bulletin, presenting new updates around the globe. So let's have a closer look at the headlines. India launches mission Sudarshan Chakra. Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced the launch of a cutting-edge indigenous air defense project, Sudarshan Chakra. The system has been designed to safeguard India's key military as well as civilian assets from hostile threats. Officials say the project will enable a swift and decisive response, strengthening India's preparedness against challenges posed by Pakistan and China. Currently, India operates an integrated air command and control system, also known as IACCS. Delhi CM Rekha Gupta attacked during public hearing, accused arrested. Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta was attacked earlier today during a public hearing. In a statement posted on X, the Chief Minister assured the citizens that she remains committed to serving the public and will not be deterred by such acts. Police have arrested the accused, identified as Sakaria Rajesh Bhai Khimji Bhai, who is said to have a prior criminal record. Investigators are treating the attack as part of a planned conspiracy. PM Modi meets Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi to boost ties. In a significant diplomatic development, Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi met with Prime Minister Narendra Modi in New Delhi. The visit, extended at the invitation of NSA National Security Advisor Ajit Doval, marked the 24th round of special representatives' talk on the long-standing boundary issue between India and China. The discussions went beyond border matters, covering trade, cross-border pilgrimages, and regional security concerns. Drama unfolds at White House. Ukraine talks with Trump. If diplomacy were a Netflix series, the White House may have just premiered one of its most eventful episodes yet. On August 18th, US President Donald Trump took center stage in Washington, joined by Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky and a host of European leaders. From Trump's candid hot mic comments about Vladimir Putin to Italian Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni's unmistakable eye rolls. A case of mistaken identity involving Finland's president. This is it for today. We will be back with another episode. Till then, keep watching YMCA Sanchar for new updates. Thank you.